So, I have a problem. I'm a really bad typist. Let's fix that with a taser. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is this mess of breadboard wires and cheap Chinese electronics gonna make you type better? So basically there's this guy named Pavlov, right? And he had a bunch of dogs or something. I didn't read the Wikipedia article that much, but what I got out of it is that taser equals type good. Now, the software is actually pretty simple. I threw together this website that will give me a random English word and then detect if I type it correctly. After that, all I really need to do is trigger the taser. To actually trigger the taser, I've decided to go with this little board called the Particle Argon, for no other reason than if I keep ghosting Hexter, they'll stop sending me free hardware. So the only really cool thing about the particle board is that it's cloud connected. When I first set it up, it connected to my Wi-Fi, and now all I have to do is ping an endpoint, and I can control it just like I would if I was actually there. The last thing we need to do before we finish the project is decide on a taser. Now me, being the lazy person that I am, I just kind of went on eBay, Ooga Booga Caveman Brain, typed shock, and this thing showed up at my door. Now this is Prank Shotgun. Kids mess around with them in the schoolyard to prank their friends, but they're really cool because they're quite easy to control if you have a look on the inside. With all the parts picked out, now it's time to put it all together. Now that was actually a lot easier than I thought, and since the circuit is so simple, I threw in some special secret features I'll show you later. And since I don't have any friends, I figured the best way to test is self-experimentation. Alright, the first word we have is tenorless. Let's type it in and see if we get a shock. Okay, good, I typed it correctly. Let's see what happens if I type in the wrong word. D-I-F, duh. Guh. Ow. That hurt. Yeah, that hurt quite a bit. I regret this. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, folks. I know most of the videos on my channel are meme edits, but this channel started with the intention to do robotics, and that's what I'm gonna keep doing. So, if you want to see more robots, make sure to hit the subscribe button, maybe, I don't know. It only slightly raises the chance that you'll see me again, but it really helps other people see my videos and me get put in front of a larger audience. Also, on the other hand, if you hated the video, make sure to dislike, because any interaction with the video helps me out in the algorithm. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.